Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use ChatPDF. ChatPDF is a platform that's going to allow you to have a chat-like conversation with the PDF you input in their system. So, for example, if you are quite lazy like me and you would like to gain some information from a PDF, but you don't really want to read the whole thing, so you can just go ahead and drop your PDF on ChatPDF and ask some question, and ChatPDF is going to answer those questions for you. As you scroll along, you're going to see that there are actually a lot of people who have tried to use ChatPDF all around the world. So there are actually several ways that you can do to insert your PDF to ChatPDF. The first one is by dragging and dropping your PDF. Like you can go to your file menu and then you can just drag your PDF into the box over there. Or you can just put some URL of the PDF that you have. As for me, today I am going to use the Browse My Computer option to input my PDF. After I input my PDF to ChatPDF, the AI system is going to read the whole PDF. Notice how ChatPDF automatically created a short summary of what my PDF is, as you can see on the right side of my screen. It says, "Hello and welcome to the fascinating worlds of Aristotle's The History of Animals." In this book, Aristotle explores the different parts of animals from simple to composite and discusses how some parts are identical while others differ. Get ready to dive into the intricate details of animals' anatomy and classification as you explore the timeless work. Now, why I say that this AI has generated its summary itself, because if you see, I'm going to scroll a little bit down to several page of this PDF. From the title page, it goes straight into the first chapter of the book. Right off the bat, ChatPDF has already become super helpful because instead of reading the whole things, I can just take a look at this short summary that it has created, and now I got the idea of the book. Now you can also see that you are able to ask questions about the book, such as these three questions that I showed over here. So for now, I'm going to try and ask the question that are provided, which is, what are the different types of animal parts discussed in Aristotle's The History of Animals? And as you can see, it shows the answers not just in a short kind of way, but also it's quite detailed. And it says that Aristotle discusses two types of animal parts in the history of animals: simple parts and composite parts, and so on. Now, I am going to try and ask a question with my own language instead of the one that they already provided. I'm going to ask, what are the most distinguished different in animal parts? And we're going to see how this AI is going to answer me. In doing that, ChatPDF actually saves a lot of my time. So instead of having to read every single chapters, I can just go ahead and see the summary from what I ask. Now, if you're unsure whether the answer that they provided is actually true or not, you can actually ask some specific question. For example, now I am going to ask something that has to include the page of the actual PDF. Here I'm asking about what page, or which actually, it's supposed to be which page does the animal part described the most? As you can see, the pages that I got actually have pages in it. And if I want to see whether the answer is right or not, I can just go ahead and click on those number of pages, and it's going to bring me directly to the page that are written over there. As you can see, it does have the answer I was looking for. So the summary that were made by this chat PDF are practically pretty accurate. Now, we have tried to input the PDF that are full words. What about PDF with pictures? I want to see if ChatPDF can also read PDF with pictures as well as the PDF that only has full words on it. Over here, I've already inserted a children's story PDF called Dylan the Dragon and the Playground Ride. Again, I'm going to start and ask some questions about the book. It already gives me some question that I can ask, some suggestion of question that I can ask, but I'm just going to go straight ahead with the question of my own. I am going to ask about how does this book end, and immediately it gives me the answers about the ending of the book. Now I'm going to check whether the answer that they've provided for me are right or not. As you can see, I've scrolled to the very end of the book, and it says that from that day, Dylan and the playground children were friends, and every day, Dylan the dragon would take the children on the best playground ride ever. Which means that the answer that they provided are quite right, because it says over there that the ending of the book ends with Dylan's learning to make friends despite obstacles and experiencing a happily ever after. Now, I'm quite intrigued with the second question that they suggest, which is how does Dylan overcome his loneliness and make friends in the stories? It says that Dylan overcome his loneliness and make friends in the stories by visiting the playground while he meets a group of smart young children in bright red and gray uniforms. It also shows me the number of page where that story happens, which is on the number 14. And I clicked on that number and the page that I chose. It says on that page that not long after, Dylan the dragon came in for a swift landing in the center of the playground. The playground was filled with smart young children in bright red and gray uniforms with their school ties. Dylan tugged at his ties and cleared his throat. He felt very dressed in the occasion. Once again, the answer that they provided are pretty much accurate and goes along with the PDF. Okay, we have tried PDF with full text and full pictures. Now, what about PDF in another language? Over here, I have a PDF in Indonesian language, and as you can see, it still gives me the short summary just like the one with the English PDF. And I also noticed the fact that the language that are using are not stiff. It's actually a quite common phrasing and words that are used in Indonesian language. It's not like the usual AI. Well, it looks like in English we call it broken English, but the Indonesian wordings that were created by the AI are actually pretty good. And as you can see over here, they actually answer my question just as good as if they were answering the question with the English language. So there it is. Chat PDF actually works really well whether your PDF is full text, full pictures, or even in other languages. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.